In this video, let me show you how to fix the Instagram cannot delete account. If you're trying to delete your account of Instagram and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can immediately try out is try using a desktop browser. So if you have a laptop or a desktop with you, you can just head over to your browser, search for instagram.com, and instead of using the mobile application, try to delete your account from the web. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue and you should be able to delete your account. Now, if you cannot delete your account within using the web version as well, then in this situation, what you need to do is try resetting your password. So whenever you head over to the home screen of Instagram, you'll be able to see the option called forgot password. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to create a new password. Once you reset your password, then try to delete your account of Instagram. Now, even after trying both of these steps, if the issue still persists, then what you can try out in this case is just wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So if you're having difficulty deleting your account, and no matter what you do, in this situation, the best thing is to wait out before the issue is automatically fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.